Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus Ace 3, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So, to get started, you will want to open up your settings application, and in here we're going to navigate all the way to the bottom where you will find System and Update, and then you want to select Reset Phone. Now, before I actually go into this, I do want to quickly mention that you can back up your device right here, backup and migrate. And there's a couple of ways you can go about this. So we have a clone phone, local backup, or cloud backup. Now, I never recommend cloud backups, as you're basically moving over your personal data to someone else's computer. In this case, that would be a OnePlus. And it's never secure there, let's be honest. And nowadays with AI rampant, it's probably being used to train that AI. And furthermore, depending on where you are in the world, like maybe for instance Europe or whatever, we have laws for data storage for companies. So as an example, I believe it's 2 or 3 years that company can keep your data, at which point they are obligated to delete it. Like they're legally forced to do it. So you might create a backup, not use it for 2 or 3 years, and then when you want to use it because you remember you created it, it's no longer there. That doesn't seem like a great backup if it vanishes at one point, without you doing anything, obviously. So what I recommend utilizing is either the local backup, which would be stored on something like your computer, or doing a clone phone. Though this one is a little bit more iffy, considering clone phone implies that you have either OnePlus, Realme, or Oppo phone, as these are all kind of one big parent company, so you can use the same application between all 3 devices. That would basically store that data to another phone. Anyway, I don't have anything here that I want to back up, so I'm not going to. So going back here, I'm going to now select the Reset Phone, and then at the bottom, erase all data. Now, if you have some kind of screen lock, you do need to confirm it right here. I have a pattern, so once confirmed, it will give me this pop-up at the bottom. Permanently clear all data. Your phone will be restored to factory settings. We're going to click on Clear. And last message, clear all data permanently. All data will be cleared permanently and cannot be recovered. To avoid data loss, we recommend backing up your phone data to the cloud. Now, like I mentioned, this is the worst way to back up your device, but we already went over backing up process, so we're just going to select clear all data. Give it a moment. The phone might look like it's not doing anything, but you can see it automatically after a moment turns off and then proceeds to reset itself. Now this process will take about 1 to 2 minutes or so, and once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.